G'day guys, Jonesy here. Now for those of you that have been through torrential rainstorms or went through Lismore 2017 and 2022 especially, this cyclone's weird. Now we're used to the cyclones that hit the top end, so when the cyclones hit up Cairns, Townsville, all that, as you know, they shoot the storms down here, and the ones that go further across the territory and into WA, as you've noticed last year, shot them more behind us down south. So the further across the cyclones are, they shoot them down there. But when they're up the top of Australia, as it finishes, because Lismore up into Brisbane is subtropical, and then as you further get up, you get into the tropics, and those cells always traditionally, the big ones will shoot a storm cell down to the bottom end of the tropical zone. And that's what we used to. Lismore was 4 to 5 days of just monsoonal intense rain. You couldn't hear yourself, it was just that loud for 4 days straight, it just straight down. But this is so far, the wind side is no different to normal. So far for us, a bit, like we've had a few strong gusts, but we've had 100-kilometre gusts before in freak events that come off the Great Divide and Range. So we also get a lot of our flooding comes off the cyclones, but a lot of our severe storms, as for the electrical type and thunderstorms, come off the tablelands down from Tenterfield. So, you know, it's totally different, but this is just weird. It's like it's just shooting small heavy showers, and then for like a few hours it was just like a traditional set-in rain. It seems to be more wind than rain, but the amount of rain, like you know, some of these, now there's parked a few others, so yesterday we were getting 5 to 15 plus mil in 2 to 3 minute spurts, and we're getting heaps of them. That's now increasing, these spurts are now increasing up to 20 to 25 mil. So, you know, the real heavy 2 to 3 minute spurts up to 20 to 25 mil, even 3 of them in an hour, there's 75 mil an hour. And it's like the creek, a lot of people have also posted saying their own creeks have never seen them rise this fast, even in 2022. But it has steadied a bit. Now the forecast was originally 2 to 400. A lot of us have already, I'm 12k west of Lismore and we've already had over 300 mil. So as long as there's only 100 more mil to come, we'll be okay. But if we're still going to get this into the weekend and we're going to get the same activity and the same behaviour, then it's going to flood. But we're not going to be able to like chart it more accurately. And as I've stated in other videos, you know, wherever the official recorders are, it doesn't always rain there. There will be times it'll ease off here, but upstream it'll still be raining. Like the Savo, when I could see, you could see, you're just looking, you see up there's rain and it's not here. Other times the clouds, you can see the rain coming, you look up there and you can't see it. So you have to then go off the river height measurements, and yeah, so that's going to make this one hard. And so I haven't yet got to check the Richmond River data, which is for Kyogle down into Casino, which then goes to Coraki. And the other thing too is a lot of people have moved away or evacuated, and a lot of people without power, so there's a lot less people posting in local pages what their current situation is. So that makes it harder to work in with official bomb data. But anyway, stay safe and just keep watching the creeks. Don't assume the least, assume the worst and pray for the least. Stay safe.